hanging out up here? Huh? Just hanging
Hey,
out?
Dana, here. And welcome to my vlog. And guess what? Well, we've had a rodent that's been living over our windowsill in our bedroom. And every night at exactly 2:45 a.m., it wants to start chewing on whatever's in the wall. Well, my solution was going to be to cut a hole in the wall and get that rodent and give him some poison. But my wife, in her wisdom, somewhere read, where'd you read it?
I read it on the internet.
She read it on the internet that cat piss will, as I said, cat piss will supposedly deter mice.
From being
What
in
else?
the wall.
What
from
else?
Chewing or mice, rats.
Mice, rats, maybe squirrels. But we're going to try this before I take the deadly force route and put poison in there. The thing is with the poison, he can be affected, especially if it gets in the house and runs around, and it has been poisoned. He will become poisoned, and
if we kill
So-
Phoenix, there's going to be a huge issue.
we know that. So I'm gonna carry on here in a minute and get this in the wall. All right, he appears, whatever it is, appears to be sitting on top of the window frame inside the frame. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna poke two holes. Maybe I'm gonna poke three. 1, 2, 3, right across the top, above the screws. You can see where the screws are in the frame, and hopefully, from what I understand, that the cat pee or the urine, should I say, will deter whatever is making the noise in there. It's woke us up twice now at freaking 2:30 in the morning, and pounded on the wall. Goes away for about maybe 10 minutes, or it subsides its noise, and then it's back, and it just keeps going and going and going for probably about 30-40 minutes later. But I've already fallen back asleep. But the wife, on the other hand, winds up going downstairs and sleeping on the couch.
Predator, animal.
Oh, hold.
Shouldn't matter who's chewing.
Yeah. So now I found my hole is right here, here, and here. And I'm going to try and see if that big enough to go in that hole. Alright, let's see. Okay. A little bit in that one. Okay. And that one. And the rest in this one. And we will find out if we get woke up again.
Stay tuned.
Yay! And stay tuned to see if the cat urine actually deters what's in this wall at 2:45 in the morning.